Good evening, weather fans. I'm Peter Wiggins, and here's the Peter Channel News Blizzard of 2015 Late Night Update. You could hear the winds howling, snow falling. The Blizzard of 2015 is about to get underway right now here, as we are hearing the winds are howling. And we are hearing winds howl, and here is the latest reports here. Blizzard warning now until 1 a.m. for Wednesday for much of eastern Massachusetts and all Rhode Island, Connecticut, and down for some New York from Kingston, New York, down for New York City and Long Island there. Windstorm warning for central western Massachusetts and eastern and upstate New York, up to Vermont, New Hampshire, and a blizzard warning in effect for southeastern New Hampshire and up in Maine. And we could see up to 2 feet of snow possible. A few spots could get up to 3 inches of snow possible there. And we could see wind gusts up to 40 to 70 miles per hour possible. Cape and Islands could experience hurricane strength winds. Greatest risk of power outage is South Shore, Massachusetts, Cape and the Islands, South Coast of Massachusetts. And Logan Airport closed now until Tuesday. And the United States Postal Service announced all post offices in the greater Boston area are to be closed on Tuesday. And also, there will be no mail pickup delivery. All MBTA service will be closed on Tuesday. State of emergencies for Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Parking bans being effective. Travel ban at Massachusetts effective at midnight on non-essential motor vehicle travel. Snowfall 2 feet or more in Worcester County, Eastern Massachusetts, and New York City travel ban as 11 p.m. Amtrak service from Boston and Washington, D.C. non-existent here, and also down eastern from Boston and Portland, also non-existent. So if you want to travel afterwards, no way! It is very dangerous, very tricky. So the best way to ride out the Blizzard of 2015 is stay in the comforts of your own home here, as all the roads around the region are treacherous here. And Logan Airport closed at 7 p.m. tonight and will continue that way for much of Tuesday. And TF Green Airport shut its doors around 5:30 p.m. So no flights going out of TF Green Airport and Logan Airport here as we take a look at the traffic situation here late Monday night. We are hearing the howling winds. And take a look at traffic situation here, and wow, look at this. All the roads are very, very slow and tricky here. And Route 3 on the southbound side. An accident between the Hingham and Rockland border, around between exit 15 Derby Street and exit 14 220 Rockland. So expect it to be treacherous right now through Tuesday. With the worst of the storm, midnight to 10 a.m. on Tuesday. We are under a blizzard warning from now until 1 a.m. on Wednesday. As we take a look at a radar situation here. We're going to take a look at a radar situation here. And wow, look at this! All snow covering much of Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Albany, down to New York City, around Long Island here. As we are under a blizzard warning here. From now until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, as a crippling and potentially historic blizzard will impact the area mainly from late today and Tuesday and lingering into early Wednesday, as locations eastern and southeastern Massachusetts, as well as all around here. Hazard types: heavy snow, strong winds and blizzard conditions here. Considerable blowing and drifting snow, strong to damaging winds and snow accumulations of around 1 to 2 feet, with locally higher amounts of snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches an hour at times. Timing: while the storm is expected to linger into Wednesday, the worst of the storm will be tonight through Tuesday afternoon. The impacts: heavy snow and strong winds will result in blizzard conditions with near zero visibility, and travel will be impossible and life-threatening across the entire region. Also, snow may be wet enough to result in downed tree limbs and power outages in addition to the winds. Winds north to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts around 55 to 65 miles an hour, luckily stronger along eastern shorelines. The winds will be light tonight into Tuesday. Visibility is 1/4 mile less at times, and precautionary prepare sections. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds of frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour expected, with considerable falling and or blowing and drifting snow, and visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times, as venturing outdoors may become lost and disoriented, so persons in the warning area may be advised to stay out indoors. All unnecessary travel is discouraged, and this is a serious life-threatening storm here. Day 1 today tonight, blizzard warning Thursday night to Friday. Accumulating snow is possible within another low pressure system, but certainly not for like what we will experience over right now and until into Tuesday. Alright, 7-day forecast. It goes like this here. And take a look at our national grid average map. 46 customers in the dark. Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. Overnight, snow with widespread blown snow. The snow can be at every time. Low around 21 degrees. Plus with a north east wind about 18 and 25 miles per gust size. 49 miles per chance of precipitation is 100% until the nighttime. Snow accumulation of 10 to 14 inches possible. Tuesday, snow with a widespread blowing snow. The snow can be at any times. 126 degrees. Plus with a north wind about 25 miles per hour with gust size. 50 miles per chance of precipitation 100%. New snow accumulation of 10 to 16 inches possible. For Tuesday, snow with widespread blowing snow before 11 p.m. Then snow likely with areas of blowing snow between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Then areas of blowing snow and a chance of snow after 2 a.m. Low around 12 degrees. Plus we had a north wind about 13 to 22 miles per gust size. 45 miles per chance of precipitation is 9%. New snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches possible. For Wednesday, a chance of snow mainly before 8 a.m. Most of Glasgow behind around 23 degrees. Wind chill value is as low as 0. Northwest wind about 8 to 10 miles per hour. with a gust as high as 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 30% and new snow accumulation less than half an inch possible. For Wednesday, most of the coast guard will low around 3 degrees. Northwest wind about 3 to 7 miles per hour. For Thursday, most of the coast guard about 30 degrees. For that, snow likely late after 5 a.m. Most of the coast guard will low about 22 degrees. Chance of precipitation 6%. For Friday, snow likely class guard will run higher to 35 degrees. Chance of precipitation 6%. For that, chance of snow, most of the Cascade low about 13 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. For Saturday, most of the Central Park Cascade about 22, low about 8 degrees. And for Sunday, Park Cascade about 23 degrees. Saturday night, a chance of snow, most of the Cascade low about 7 degrees. And chance of precipitation 30%. And for Monday, Park Cascade high about 21 degrees. Northern temperature standing at 30 degrees with a snow, freezing, and fog. With a wind speed northeast about 10, gusting 24 miles per hour. Humidity 88%. Barometer 28 inches, 2.5, 27 degrees, visibly half a mile, wind chill 21 degrees, and I can hear the snow plows working outside, and I expect to be busy late tonight into tomorrow, as it'll be a cleanup process that will start right now as snow plow crews and power outage crews and emergency personnel will be working around the clock to make sure everybody is safe and sound. This is Peter Woods. I hope you have a good night with a good positive attitude, and I hope you stay safe in a nice warm home. Be safe. Use some common sense and ride out the storm in the comforts of your home. Thank you. Good night. And I'll look to see you tomorrow morning for a morning update if I have power or not. Good night, and be positive, and see you tomorrow morning.